Is there any way to do HTTP put in Python? I need to upload some data to a server using HTTP put in Python. From my brief reading of the erlib docs, it only does HTTP post. Is there any way to do an HTTP put in Python?
I've used a variety of Python HTTP libs in the past, and I've settled on requests as my favorite. Existing libs had pretty usable interfaces, but code can end up being a few lines too long for simple operations. A basic put in request looks like. You can then check the response status code with, or the response with. Requests has a lot synaptic sugar and shortcuts that'll make your life easier.
Cuplib seems like a cleaner choice.
You can use the request library. It simplifies things a lot in comparison to taking the erlib2 approach. First, install it from pip. More on installing request. Then set up the put request. See the quick start for request library. I think this is a lot simpler than erlib2, but does require this additional package to be installed and imported.
This was made better in Python 3 and documented in the stlib documentation. The erlib.request.request class gained a method equals ... parameter in Python 3. Some sample usage.
If you want to avoid battle, please endeavor subscribing.